Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Keep S Pen Connected on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then we go down and tap on S Pen. Next, go down and tap on Keep S Pen Connected. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now, if this is turned on, you can keep your S Pen connected so it's ready for air actions as soon as you remove it from your phone. This increases the battery use because the pen is always connected to your device. So here, once it's taken out, then it's ready for you to use straight away. And if we switch it off, when we remove the S Pen from the device, sometimes it might need to connect to the S Pen first before it can allow you to use the S Pen. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.